Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm now in Georgia, in the town of Tbilisi. I've literally just left my hostel, so I'm just going to have a walk around and see what this place is about. I don't really know what to expect from the country. Most surprisingly so far, we have a spa shop, just like back in England. I went in there yesterday when I arrived, like late in the evening, to buy some water. It was nice to see things that I recognised, brand names that I recognised, and could just tell what things were. Quite the difference from Sri Lanka. So like I said, don't really know what to expect too much from this country or this town. So we're just going to check it out and go for a little explore today. I'm probably going to stay here for maybe 3 days before taking a train or a bus to another town and just explore the country a little bit. So let's go see what we can find today. We're also on footpaths. It's so nice to actually have somewhere safe to walk. You're not walking on the road. There's something which lack very much in Sri Lanka, India, Vietnam, Cambodia. So yeah, nice to be walking on a pavement once again. I mean, everywhere's looking really clean and really modern. Really nice so far. Amazing building there. Another one there. With like a waterfall feature in front of it. Really nice. And a little market area that I'm coming up to here, I think. We have a bit of all sorts in here, like artsy, craftsy things, t-shirts, bags, jewellery, homemade soaps, I think. Yeah, very nice, just on the side of the main road here. So I'm heading towards Freedom Square, which is like one of the main areas. And I think there's some walking tours that go from there at like 12 o'clock. It's about 20 to 12 now. I couldn't book on one, but I'm just going to see if there's one there and just jump on it and yeah, have a little tour of the city. H&M. So I don't know if you can see that flower stand just behind me. I was trying to get a nice little B-roll shot with my camera, and she started shouting quite angrily at me. Obviously I have no idea what she was saying, she wasn't speaking English, but she was not happy. So I just, yeah, I've skedaddled. Hello!
See, vlogging here.
Okay, that's the most friendliest person I've seen since I've been here. I don't think people take too kindly to the camera here, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm late, but I found it. There's even a random waterfall in the city. So the walking tour was mainly just around the old city, but it was really good. The city's really nice, the old part and the new part. The next video will probably be coming up from somewhere else in Georgia, so stay tuned for that. I don't know where it will be, so you'll find out when I know. For now, I'm going to enjoy chimney cake and ice cream.